In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bring external people into Ticktick. If you're looking to collaborate with others on tasks and projects, Ticktick provides an excellent feature that allows external people to join your shared list, even if they don't have a Ticktick account yet. Let's dive into how you can set this up effortlessly. First, you'll want to create a list specifically for collaboration. In Ticktick, sharing is done at the list level, meaning you can't share an individual task without also sharing the entire list it belongs to. This gives you a more organized approach to manage tasks comprehensively. It's important to note that you can only share regular lists that you've created, not the built-in smart lists like Today or Inbox. So go ahead and create a new list tailored to the project or tasks you want to collaborate on, such as family chores or client project tasks. This specificity not only helps you stay focused, but also makes it easier for others to understand the context of what they're being invited to. Once you have your list set up, the next step is to share it and invite the members you want to collaborate with. To do this, navigate to the specific list you're planning to share. If you're using a mobile device, simply tap the three dots found in the top right corner. For those on a desktop or using the web app, you can click on the list name in the sidebar or spot the settings or menu icon. This will lead you to the option to share or collaborate. Selecting this will bring up the option to invite member or something similar, setting you up for the next phase of collaboration. Now, you have two primary methods to invite external users. The first method is via contact invitation, which is recommended if you anticipate ongoing collaboration. Here, you simply enter the email address of the person you wish to invite. When Ticktick sends the invitation, those without an account will get a link prompting them to sign up for a free Ticktick account to join your shared list. Meanwhile, if they already have a Ticktick account, they'll receive the invitation in their notification center, which they can easily accept to join your list. Alternatively, if you're looking for a quick sharing option, there's the link invitation method. This is perfect for swift or perhaps temporary collaborations. Simply select the option to create a sharing link, then copy this link and send it to the external person using email, text, or any chat app of your choice. Once they click on the link, they'll be prompted to either create or log in to a Ticktick account, after which they can access the list immediately. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly bring external collaborators into your Ticktick lists, enhancing teamwork and ensuring everyone's on the same page. Happy collaborating!